I'm here on the job site with Dale, who's a framing contractor.
Hey, good morning.
Dale traded up to Geico Commercial Auto Insurance for all his business vehicles. We're here where he needs us most.
Yep, they sure are.
We make it easy for him to save on all his insurance needs, all in one place, with coverage that fits his business and bottom line. Oh, I shouldn't have looked down.
It's all right.
We're so far up here.
Look at me. Take a deep breath.
Oh, I'm good. So good.
Get a commercial auto insurance quote today at geico.com and see how much you could save. Get more with Geico.
You're listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast, where we show you how to do life and business confident, focused, and with a plan so that you can make more money. Have more free time and less stress. Your host, Wayne Withersby, will uncover actionable hacks, strategies, tips, and insights you can use today to live a better, more productive life. It's time to boost your mindset, confidence, and your attitude. Here's your host, Coach Wayne.
Okay. Have you ever, or do you ever feel like you're working hard, but actually not getting anywhere? Like you're running full speed on a treadmill, sweating, exhausted, but still in the exact same spot? I know I have. I've been there. And I can tell you, it's one of the most frustrating feelings in the world. The truth is, most people aren't failing because they're lazy. Most people are failing because they don't know where they're headed. They're busy. They're real busy. But they're busy without a direction. And that's why today I want to hand you something I call the clarity compass. Because once you've got clarity, you can focus. And once you're focused, you can finally build a plan that sticks. So let me lay this out for you. Busy versus productive, right? That's the namesake of the podcast. Here's the thing. Being busy feels good. It tricks your brain. Checking emails, running your errands, juggling calls. You feel like you're making moves, right? But when you step back and ask, am I actually closer to my destination or my goals? The answer is usually no. That's because busyness is an activity without intention. Productivity, on the other hand, is an action lined up with purpose. And the way you get there is clarity. That's why it's called the clarity compass. So let's break it down. Imagine you're standing in the middle of a field with no map, no GPS, no compass. You just start walking. But are you heading north, south, or in a circle? You have no clue. That's how most people do business, or even their lives sometimes. They're moving, but they don't know where. The clarity compass fixes all that. It's just 3 simple questions. And I want you to write these down and stick them on your desk, your refrigerator, and I want you to look at them often. Question number 1. Sounds simple, right? But you'd be shocked when I say this. Question number 1 is, what do you want? Most people say stuff like, I just want to be successful, or I want to be happy. Okay, cool. But what does that mean? Success to me might not look like success to you. So let's get specific, okay? Do you want to build a business that gives you freedom? Do you want to make $100,000 a year? Or do you want more time with your family? Clarity comes from a definition. So don't settle for vague goals. Name it. Nail it down and own it. Number 2, why does it matter? Now we're talking, or we're cooking with gas. Okay? The what is your direction, but the why is your engine. Here's the deal. If your goal doesn't actually matter to you, you won't chase it when things get hard. And trust me, things are going to get hard. Why? Okay, that's the question. Your why is what keeps you going when you're tired and when you're doubting yourself and when you feel like quitting. So you got to ask yourself, why does this matter to me? Is it for my family, or is it for my freedom, or is it for the impact I'm trying to make? The clearer your why, the stronger your drive. Question number 3. What's the first step? This is where most people get stuck. They've got the dream, they've got the motivation, but the mountain feels too big. So what do? They quit, they freeze. But here's the hack. Don't worry about the whole damn mountain. Just take the first step. If you want to get healthier, don't obsess over losing 50 pounds. Start with a 10-minute walk. Want to grow your business? Don't worry about hitting $1 million. Start with your next phone call and your next conversation. You want more confidence? Don't wait until everything's perfect. Take a small action, take a small step today. Big momentum is built on small steps. So going from compass to confidence. When you've got your clarity compass, what you want, why it matters, and the first step, you stop guessing. You stop running in circles, and it gives you confidence. Confidence isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing your direction. It's about being able to say, I don't have it all figured out, but I know where I'm heading, and I know the next move. That's focus. That's power. And that's how you build a plan that works. So here's a quick challenge for you. I don't want this just to be another podcast you listen to and forget. So here's my challenge. Before you go to bed tonight, write down your clarity compass. What do I want? Why does it matter? And what's the first step? And don't overthink it. Don't try to make it perfect. Just get it down on paper. Because once you write it, you own it. And once you own it, you can act on it. So I'm going to leave you with this. Listen, life's too short to spend it running full speed but going nowhere. Clarity is what separates people who are busy from the people that are productive. So stop guessing. Grab your compass, get clear on what you want, why it matters, and what the first step is. Do that, and you'll stop living on accident and start living on purpose. And that's how you do life and business, confident, focused, and with a plan. Super simple. Hope you guys have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Sell a bunch. Find somebody and say something nice to them. See you soon.
You've been listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.
I'm here on the job site with Dale, who's a framing contractor.
Hey, good morning.
Dale traded up to Geico Commercial Auto Insurance for all his business vehicles. We're here where he needs us most.
Yep, they sure are.
We make it easy for him to save on all his insurance needs, all in one place, with coverage that fits his business and bottom line. Oh, I shouldn't have looked down.
It's all right.
We're so far up here.
Look at me. Take a deep breath.
Oh, I'm good. So good.
Get a commercial auto insurance quote today at geico.com and see how much you could save. Get more with Geico.
Life is unpredictable, but preparing for the unexpected shouldn't be. Take ownership of your life planning with Policy Genius to help your loved ones have a financial safety net in case something happens to you. They offer life insurance policies starting at just $276 a year for $1 million in coverage. Don't wait for life to make other plans. Protect your family today. Head to PolicyGenius.com. That's PolicyGenius.com.